Hey, tech friends! Today, we're going to explore 5 simple-to-use free screen recorders that make capturing your screen a breeze. No complicated setups, no hidden fees, just pure productivity. Let's jump right in. Let's kick things off with ScreenPal. You might remember it as Screencast-O-Matic. This one's all about simplicity. You open it up, hit record, and you're off. Whether you're creating a quick tutorial, recording a meeting, or simply saving a funny moment, ScreenPal makes it easy. You can record your screen, your webcam, or both simultaneously, and even add callouts or text while you're recording. The free version does have a few limits. You'll get a watermark and a 15-minute cap per video, but honestly, for most quick projects, that's more than enough. If you ever want to go pro, you can unlock longer recordings and more editing tools, but you don't have to. Now, if you want something that feels a bit more classic, check out FlashBack Express. This one's been around for a while, and for good reason. It's super reliable, and the interface is refreshingly straightforward. You can record your whole screen, a specific window, or just a region. Plus, you can add your webcam for that picture-in-picture effect. What's really cool? There are no watermarks, even in the free version. The only catch is you're limited to exporting in WMV or AVI formats. And if you want to edit your videos or export to MP4, you'll need to upgrade. But for basic recording, FlashBack Express is a solid, no-nonsense choice. Next up, let's talk about ShareX. If you love options and customization, this is your code playground. ShareX is an open-source and completely free software with no watermarks or time limits. You can record any part of your screen, capture scrolling windows, and even automate uploads to services like YouTube or Google Drive. There's a built-in editor for screenshots, and you can even create GIFs. The only downside? The interface can be a bit overwhelming at first, especially if you're new to screen recording. However, once you get the hang of it, ShareX is a powerful tool. Moving along, we have Debut Video Capture. This one's perfect if you want something that just works without a lot of fuss. Debut lets you record your screen, webcam, or even from external devices like IP cameras. You can add text, timestamps, and simple effects while you record. The free version is generous, but you might see a small watermark on longer videos, and some advanced features are reserved for the paid version. Still, for everyday screen recording, Debut is a friendly and reliable option. And finally, let's wrap up with TinyTake by Mango Apps. TinyTake is all about quick captures and easy sharing. You can record up to 5 minutes for free, annotate your videos or screenshots, and instantly share them with a link. It's perfect for sending feedback, making quick tutorials, or just sharing something funny with friends. You'll need to register for a free account, and if you want longer recordings or more storage, there's a paid upgrade. But for most folks, the free version does the trick. So, there you have it. 5 awesome free screen recorders, each with its own style and strengths. Whether you want something simple, powerful, or packed with features, there's a tool here for you. Which one are you excited to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you want even more free tools, tap the video in the top right corner to discover 10 powerful free software programs that beat expensive alternatives every time. You might find your next favorite. Before you go, don't forget to sign up for our newsletter. You'll get exclusive discount codes, the latest tech news, and early access to updates on the best software deals. The link to sign up is below this video. And if you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.